Looking for a natural herb that supports memory, boosts immunity, and adds flavor to your dishes? Meet rosemary. This aromatic herb is packed with powerful health benefits that might surprise you. Rosemary is not only a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, but also a powerful medicinal herb. Rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients, rosemary promotes overall health. Here's why you should include it in your life. Top health benefits of rosemary. 1. Boosts memory and concentration. Rosemary contains compounds that may enhance memory and concentration. Studies suggest it can improve cognitive function. No wonder it's known as the herb of remembrance. 2. Supports immune health. Loaded with antioxidants like rosmarinic acid, rosemary helps strengthen immunity and protects the body against oxidative stress. 3. Promotes digestion. This herb aids digestion by reducing bloating and indigestion. Adding rosemary to meals or drinking it as a tea can naturally support digestive health. 4. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Rosemary's natural anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for people with joint pain or arthritis. Regular use can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. 5. Improves hair health. Rosemary oil is well known for promoting hair growth and preventing dandruff. Massaging it into your scalp can strengthen hair follicles and give you a healthier scalp. Wondering how to incorporate rosemary into your routine? Add fresh rosemary to roasted veggies or pasta for extra flavor. Use rosemary tea for a refreshing drink that supports digestion. Apply diluted rosemary oil to your scalp for thicker, healthier hair. Fun fact! Did you know that ancient Greeks wore rosemary garlands during exams to boost memory? Amazing, right? If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Kitchen Hospital